cup and told me piss in it. Niggas said the whip look familiar cause it's bitch in it. Gotta double up, put your wrists in it. Little freaky bitch in my ear like put your fists in it.
YouTube, what it is, man? Statsky inside back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, man, don't mind my voice, man. I'm kind of sick right now, you feel me? So, shit, man, it's crazy. So, I'm gonna show you how to make it easy and simple go-to cover art. You know what I'm saying? Promise y'all, bro, this one is easy. You feel me? Easy. Yeah, if you remember, I'm gonna give you some songs, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you everything for sure, you know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, let's get into this video. Guess what? We're gonna be using the same apps as the last video. So, you're gonna do the automatic thing, slide that thing, you feel me? Whatever it is, you know the drill, bro. After doing that, you're gonna go ahead and choose your background. Me personally, I prefer black because why not? Then you're gonna go to stickers, search for a red circle. Then they tap the red circle. What's going on? But yeah,
You had your
red circle. So you gonna put it like behind the cutout that you just did for the weekend or whatever you're gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Cause now peep how this is gonna look, bro. This is gonna look crazy, but it's simple, but it's hard. You feel me? Bro, look at this, bro. Simple and easy. It didn't take too much. Just two things put together. You feel me? Hey, you gonna go ahead and add a shadow, cause like, I don't know. I feel like adding a shadow, but you can choose if you're adding a shadow or not. But I'm just giving y'all like sauce. You feel me? But it looks different with a shadow. I ain't gonna lie.
Nice.
Yeah, feel me? And with the first step, you are done. And click on save. Open up Fonto and loading your previous work that you just did. Yeah. And you're gonna go ahead and choose like the font for your title. Link will be down in the description to where I get my fonts from. If you want me to do a video to show you how I load my fonts into this app, let me know it down in the comments, folks. After choosing the font that you want, you can go ahead and click on style, and it will show you like different options. Then you'll see what you can play with. You feel me? Right now I'm just playing with things. I mean, you can copy mine or do whatever you want. Feel me? After that, you're done with the second step. Back to PixArt, loading your current work. And you gonna go through like different textures that you prefer. I'm gonna show you just now. Oh no, but this filter looks a bit blurry for this picture, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna go ahead and change it because it's not giving me what I want, you feel me? So it turns out I didn't like the pixel textures because they were a bit blurry for the cover art. I don't judge my weird pictures, bro. You feel me? Yeah. So I chose this texture from my gallery, and it's like the one of my favorites. So, and I got it from Pinterest. I'm telling you, like Pinterest, bro, y'all gotta check it out though. Hey, between lighting and screen, like up for a texture, it's gonna look good. I'm telling y'all, bro. It's gonna look good. After applying the texture, bro, you gotta go to filters and look for a sharpen filter. There you go. And then, you know what I'm saying, this is just to like enhance the picture quality itself, so it don't look like it's blurry, you feel me? And after that, bro, you are done, bro. There's nothing more you can do because it's just a simple, easy go-to cover art. After that, you are done. Just click on save the photo, you feel me? Look at that, bro. That's crazy. Simple and easy, you feel me? Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, like real talk though, like the video, bro.
She just want my love, so she gon' love me. I got them all white T-Pezos on my